Hello, I'm Yellow Meow.
Today we're going to visit the farm. Wow, so many kinds of animals. Go here and look. Wow, that'll be interesting. Hello farmer, could you please introduce some animals for me? Yes, I wanna learn. Sister, there are many animals here. Let's learn with farmer. Now, let's go! This is a dog. This is a cow. Here is a cat. It's sheep. It's a duck. This is a chicken, and here is a pig. Can you remember? Let's have it checked. This is a dog. Here is a chicken. This is a cow. This is a cat. And this is a sheep. It's a duck. And a pig. Okay, let's move to vegetable shop. I'll buy a corn and a carrot too. It'll be yummy. Let's eat together. Yummy. Wow, here are fruits, many fruits. Okay, a strawberry. A banana. A pear. And a mango. Let's take something to carry. I like the strawberry and a banana. Wish you enjoy with fruits. Thank you. Let's eat with us. So yummy.